It's Justin, aka JDog, and before I get into the video, I want you to click that like button, leave your thoughts in the comment section box below, and subscribe to my channel. Now, before I get into this video, you can already tell by the title of this video, I'll be doing two hot sauce taste tests. The first one I have is a Vicious Viper hot sauce, and it reads, "If you think you know hot sauce, think again. You don't know hot until you've been bitten by the vicious viper, but vicious but delicious." And of course, has a warning. Wait up there so I can read it. It says, "Warning: extra hot use as a food supplement only. Only drop at a time. Avoid contact with eyes and sensitive areas. Use responsible. Keep away from children." Y'all, when there's a label like this, you do not want to. But anyways, and then it goes from mild, medium, hot, extra hot, 3 times hot, and then I don't know if I can see it. That right there. Come on, camera. That. Now I'm going in for a taste, and I don't have any food, but I'm going to use my pointer. Just a drop. All right. There you go. The coloring is not very odd. All right, let's go in for a taste. Whoa. Okay. Straight away, y'all, it was just a finger, just a little, and the ingredients on here are vinegar, habanero pepper, pepper extract, tomatoes, mustard, papaya, guac, pineapple, banana, water, sugar, passion fruit juice, guava juice. So I guess I should say well. But once you open it, it kind of smells. I don't know if any of y'all have ever tried the Killer Bee sauce from Church's Chicken. That's what it smells like, but it's not what it seems. It tastes. I mean, it smells like the Killer Bee sauce at Church's Chicken, but it has a whole different kick. Right now, my tongue is still on fire. All right, y'all probably wondering what the second hot sauce is. Oh man, right now. Oh, y'all. Why do I do this for y'all? Why? Okay, before I even get into this other sauce, y'all seen the videos going around of the hottest. Well, I'm going to introduce y'all to the Mad Dog 357 hot sauce. And the hot sauce will blow you away. Over 357,000 on the scale of all units. Y'all, there's a certain amount of heat that I can handle, and I don't know about this one, but I'm going in for a try. As soon as I open it, there's this little top. All right, y'all. I'm doing this for y'all. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? All right, y'all. I'm gonna stop complaining. You know what? I'm gonna take some of that off. I'm gonna take that little bit of. You know what? I'm gonna be a man. I'm going for that amount. Let's go in for a try. This is only a pinky. Ooh, Daddy. Hmm. Whoa. Okay. Enough said. I think we have our winner. Whew. Not for used for kids. I'm sorry. Um. Wow. My tongue. I still feel the little tingle on my tongue. But anyways, enough said. Um. Wow. Uh. I would not do this, y'all. Uh. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up real quick. Um. But until then, all right, I'm about to log on. But until then, I'll see y'all guys in my next video. All right. All right. Later.